My name is Panteleakis. I'm an agent with the team at ROVI Homes, and I do post-licensing recruitment. So in college, I worked at my family's commercial real estate firm, and I kind of wanted to forge my own path. I worked as a director of operations for a nonprofit. What was my next step? ROVI Homes' reputation for new agent development kind of won out, so I jumped on board, and yeah. I love being able to provide an opportunity where people get to change their lives. When I joined ROVI Homes, I looked at my coach and I said, how long is it going to take until I have something under agreement? And she said, if you buckle down and utilize all the resources we're giving you, you'll have something under contract in 30 days. And then I did have something under contract before 30 days. And for me, that was just that was it. That's having integrity. It's following through on your promises. I started calling friends that I had gone to real estate school with and family members who wanted to get their license and just telling them about my experience here and being you've had your license for 9 months and you haven't done a deal. Let me show you another way, I felt super passionately and excited about that, and I wanted to share it, and that's ultimately how I transitioned into recruiting. Everyone comes from such a different background. I've talked to teachers, stay-at-home parents, and small business owners. It's just really cool to see people come from so many different places and be able to do something that feels good for them. People just want to do something that brings value to other people, and to be that person for other people is special.